kind of wildlife have you seen out here since you're out a lot?
We have a lot of insects right now, just with everything, blooming. All of our bugs and are just getting the pollen and for their energy. We've seen a lot of snakes and reptiles that utilize this. A lot of our, larger mammals like white-tailed deer, raccoons, possums, things like that. Utilize this a lot.
And birds? You talked about the pheasants. Talk about the
Yeah.
pheasants nesting out here.
A lot of the road ditches is kind of what the pheasants have for habitat, and they utilize the right-of-ways as nesting sites and also foraging and scavenging sites. They have to pick rock to crush and digest their food, so that's another plus side. We have plenty of small rocks on the road edges, and then obviously, when we have established prairies like this, they use this for wintering cover and also nesting sites, because all these forbs attract bugs, and those little hatchlings need those bugs to grow throughout the summer and get ready for winter. Here is a partridge pea. It's pretty prolific. It's one of the earlier ones that you see in a seeding. It's a great little seed source for smaller animals like mice and smaller birds in the fall, but it's also a really good pollinator because it keeps flowers for a little longer in the summer. This one is a purple prairie clover. The bees love that one. This will basically bloom from the start of July to September, so it's a really good pollen source for our pollinators, for bees. Our native bees especially really love it. So yeah.
And there are lots of little short grasses around you. What are some of those?
Sure. So like these ones here are what they call side oats grama. This side oats is a cool season grass, so this one really gets green early, which is important for our seeding purposes to get something established in the springtime and really get growing. So that's really the purpose of that one. And I would say that it's a shorter grass, which is nice, because sometimes these taller grass that you have behind me, like there's actually two of them over here. This is switchgrass. This is a really gets dense and prolific, and is a warm season grass. And then this one here that you have is actually a cool season grass. That's a Virginia wild rye, and that they really produce a really good seed for birds and smaller mammals too, for the fall, for winter. Yeah, so right, so if they have like